Hi guys, Bruce here. Mail day again. It's just been crazy out there, hasn't it? So let's just have a quick look here. It's from Wayne at Eliminator Performance. Let's just get some scissors. Looks bigger than a sticker, but it could be just a sticker. Ooh, Eliminator Performance, baby. Oh, it's inside out. Oh! Oh, I see. It's a fuller upper. I could rob the local grocery store with this bad boy on, eh? Thank you. That's a very, very unique gift, you guys. EP Performance, right? Well, you guys know this will get used, and I can wear this when it's 35 below, blowing snow. Keep my nose warm. It's like wearing a scarf with something that won't strangle you. That's a really, really, really nice gift. Thank you very much. Gotta go show Mrs. P. Thanks, guys. Okay, back to my usual shtick. Mrs. P loved it. Canadian, sexy, toque, and a mask. Thank you, guys. We'll carry on now. Yes, furnace alert. So this, see if I can get that window out of here. Well, my head will do it. Hi guys, Bruce here. So this I think is like getting a letter from the king himself. I think it's from 805 Road King. Yes, you heard me right. I gotta get a better knife than that. What better knife to use than one from Zippo? Sodbuster. Oh my gosh, okay. Ah, there's his motorcycle. Talked about that. Isn't that nice? And yes. Thank you. With all the humor I've stolen from you over the years, you've really helped my channel grow. But you know, it's been fun, right? Like, I mean, holy smokes. This is just a fake version. Road King has one of these and he calls it his magic hammer. Mine doesn't qualify as magic, it's just a hammer. So thanks, sir, for the 2 stickers and the magnetic one. I think it's magnetic. I'll put it down here. Right beside. Oh, it's not. It's a sticker. Oh, it's a card, business card. Duh. Yes. 805 Road King. Thank you. You don't know how much this means to me. It's like, oh. Wish I could get that real recording and use that as a clip in my video. Thanks, sir. Well, some of you might know what this is. Daryl from Florida. I know what it is. '22 calendar. And he does this every year. He sends me a calendar of some of the older and the newer NASA launches. So thanks, Daryl and family, because you know this is all a family operation we're doing here. And I don't know what else to say. Thank you very much. You know, that's like, these things aren't free, right? I mean, this is costing him a little bit. So thanks again, sir, and Mrs. Sir. And I got a NASA sticker too. And whenever I see that, I'll know exactly who it came from. So I'm going to put it up on my sticker bowl. Right over here. Right there. Can you see that right there? Good. So scrape off the oxidization from the aluminium. Oh, it's a fancy one. Oh, I get it. It's got little fingers. Oh, that's good. Okay. I like the extruded part of that sticker, guys. There and there, eh? Cool. There we go. Road King's on the wall. Isn't that cool? Thanks for taking the time out in your day to watch this, guys. Oh, hello, my friends. Bruce here. It's mail day. So let's start with the one I got first a few days ago. I need a jackknife. Sodbuster. Okay. So, number one. Look down. Is that gonna work? Yes. So it just says Royal Mail. I guess in England they don't put a return address on the envelope. Got a love letter, as Mick would say. Oh, Tinker and Tailor! Two of them! Bruce. I'll just read it first. Are you ready? Yeah. Bruce. Can you drop me an email when you get this? As some YouTube guys said some YouTubers have not said they have not received. Keep up with the good videos. Tinker and Tailor. So they are. Oh, he's got pictures and everything on there. That's a good sticker. Have a good look at that one. There's a, looks like a Briggs & no. That might be a Kohler. I don't know. They have different mowers in the UK than they do here. His name's Nev. Thanks, Nev. Very, very nice. Next one. Salt Lake City. These are going to go up on the wall too, right? And another love letter. I didn't send out love letters when I did mine. Here, Bruce, here's a couple stickers for your board. I'd love one of yours if you have an extra. Make a choice to have a great day. Isn't that the truth? You make a choice. And I think this guy's name is Kyle. Ooh, once again a round sticker. Very nice, Kyle. And yes, I will make a choice and have this to be a good day. Thank you. KB Small Engine Repair. A piston and a wrench as seen on YouTube. Thank you. I don't know how much longer I got for the battery. Here's another one. From the UK, no return address. It's a cute stamp. I bet you this is from, I'm just guessing in my mind, right? Grass Cutter Palmer. Cool, eh? It's got the lawnmower just chewing up that grass. Thank you, Tim. All right, I worked with this gentleman for 33 years. And we're still friends. He lives about 40 minutes south of me. Will all be jiggered. Okay, this is pretty cool. Brent, his nickname is Spike. This is a notebook, and I never really got it, but it's got the Pender crest. Whoops, where are you? It's got the Pender crest on there. How can I do this? There we go. Isn't that sweet? Thanks, my old friend. Well, you're not so old, but you're older than me. Ha! So thanks a lot, Brent. All right, Nev, you're going up with some pretty good company up here, right below Road King. And Kyle, you're going up beside the lawnmower detective and turning wrenches and below Nev. You know what? I'm getting better at peeling these stickers. I think I'm going to put Kyle right there, because I don't want to go lower than that because they'll get scratched up, right? And then, Grass Cutter Palmer, you get to start a new row. Where? I think right beside this bracket here should be, I think we can sneak one in there. We might even just stick them beside Road King, eh? I think we're going to go there. We won't be quite as symmetrical as usual. There you go. There. See, you had that bracket there, eh? Let's unplug that big bright sucker. I know it's a little darker, but I'm getting quite a mass of stickers there, aren't I? Thank you all.